Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm for Morris County, Jersey, southern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over the Anthor Valley, or 8 miles southwest of Newton, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Newton, Dover, Madison, Hocatcong, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinelon, Hackettstown, Chatham, Brinson, Butler, Wharton, Rockaway, Blairstown, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Franklin, and Mendham. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northwestern New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren.